In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show completed task Google Calendar. If you've ever marked something done in Google Tasks and then wondered where it went, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where completed items live inside Google Calendar on the web and how to view them whenever you need a record of what you finished. Start by opening your web browser and heading to google.com. In the upper right corner, you'll see the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots. Click that to open the app launcher, then choose Calendar. This takes you to Google Calendar in your browser. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your usual account and you'll land on your calendar view. Now look to the right edge of the screen. You should see a slim vertical side panel with several icons. This panel is where Google integrates tools like Keep, Tasks, and other add-ons. If you don't see the panel, look for a small arrow at the bottom right of the page and click it to show the side panel. In that side panel, click the Tasks icon, which looks like a blue circle with a check mark. That opens your Google Tasks list directly within Calendar. Give it a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of items or multiple lists. You'll see your active, not yet done tasks at the top. This is your working list. To view completed items, simply scroll to the very bottom of the Tasks panel. You'll find a section labeled Completed, often with a number indicating how many items are stored there. Click or expand that section and your finished tasks will appear. You'll notice they display with a check mark and a strike through, and you may see timestamps or due dates depending on how you originally created them. That's all there is to it. Your completed tasks are always kept here, neatly tucked away, so your active list stays clean, but accessible whenever you want to review what you've accomplished. A couple of tips as you browse. Completed tasks are shown per task list. So if you switch lists from the dropdown at the top of the tasks panel, you'll find a separate completed section for each one. If the panel feels cluttered, you can collapse the completed section again to hide it. And remember, completed tasks generally won't appear on the main calendar grid. They live in the task side panel so they don't distract from your schedule. That's the full process. Open Google Calendar, launch tasks from the right-hand panel, wait for it to load, head to the bottom, and expand. Complete it to see everything you've checked off.